Very good morning. Today we will discuss the Gauss-Jordan method, the given simultaneous linear equations. There are three linear equations will be given. Now to solve the what is x value, y value, z value by using the Gauss-Jordan method. We already discussed in previous class introduction of Gauss-Jordan method, how to eliminate the particular coefficients. Okay, now to solve the third sum. Okay, solve the system of equations by Gauss-Jordan method. Now to eliminate the particular coefficients. In step number 1, first we have to eliminate the row 2 and row 3 first column of the coefficients are 0. Now to eliminate these two terms are 0. And step number 2, to make row 1 and row 3 second column coefficients are 0. Okay, step number 1, row 2 and row 3 first column coefficients are to eliminate or to make 0. And step number 2, row 1 and row 3 second column of the coefficient to eliminate or to make 0. After that we can solve the x value, y value and z value by using the Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, the given third sum, x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 16 and x plus 4y plus 3z equal to 18, x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 19. Now we can write like this. This is for 1, 3, 3 and 16, 1, 4, 3, minus 18 and then 1, 3, 4, 19. First to eliminate the row 2 and row 3 first column coefficients are 0. For that, this coefficient minus 1 divided by row 1 equal to minus 1. And then second one, row 3 minus 1. This is for minus, we have to fix minus and 1 divided by row 1 coefficient. Now we can get the minus 1. Okay, first row 2 coefficient, the first column to make 0, for that 1 equal to 1 minus of this 1 into the corresponding row 1. Now 1 minus, now to multiply these two, minus 1 equal to 0. Next to 4 minus 1 into the corresponding row 3. My 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Next to 3 equal to 3 minus 1 into the corresponding row 3. Now 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Next 18 equal to 18 minus 1 into the corresponding row 16. This is for 18. Now to multiply these two, 16. Now result is 2. Next to make this one row 3 first column 0, for that 1 equal to 1 minus 1 into the corresponding row 1 equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Next one 3 equal to 3 minus 1 into the corresponding row 3. Now 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Next to 4 equal to 4 minus 1 into the corresponding row 3 equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Next 19 equal to 19 minus 1 into the corresponding row 1, 16. Now result 19 Now to multiply these two 16 and to subtract these two 3. Okay. Now row 2 and row 3 value substitute here. Now row 1 will be same 1, 3, 3 and 16. And row 2 1 value 0, next 4 value 1, next 3 value 0, next 18 value 2, next row 3 1 value 0, next 3 value 0, next 4 value 1 and 19 value 3. This is for step number 1. And step number 2, we have to make these two coefficients are 0. Here already this is for 0, so no need to make 0. Only to make this row 1 second column to make 0. For that we can divide minus 3 divided by row 2. Row 2 value 1 equal to minus 3. Now we can take this is for 3 equal to 3 minus of 3 into the corresponding row 2 value 1. Now 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Next 3 minus 3 into the corresponding row 2 value 0. Next 3 minus 0 equal to 3. This is for 3 into 0, 0. So we can subtract these two. Now result is 3. Next 2. No, sorry. Next 16. 16 equal to 16 minus 3 into the corresponding row to 2. 16 minus 6. 3 into 2, 6. Now to subtract 16 minus 6 equal to 10. Okay. Now to subtract this value here. Row 1, this is for 1 and 3, the corresponding value is 0 and 3 value minus 3 and then 16 value 10. Next row 2 will be same 0, 1, 0, 2 and then row 3 also same 0, 0, 1, 3. This is for step number 1 to make these two coefficients are 0. And step number 2 to make these two coefficients are 0. So we can solve the equations. First we can take this one x, y, z equal to 3. Now x value, y value 0 and this is for to consider z equal to 3. Now the result is 3 z value. And then we can take the second equations x, y, z and equal to 2. Here x value 0 and y value y and z value also 0. So y equal to 2. Next equation number 1. This is for x, y, z equal to 10. Here x 1, y value 0 and z value 3, z equal to 10. X value we have to find out plus 3, z value 3 equal to 10. Now x plus 3 into 3, 9 equal to 10. Now x is equal to 10 and 9 we can take this side minus 9. Okay, now the final result is, now to subtract 10 minus 9 equal to 1. Now x value 1, y value 2 and z value 3. The given simultaneous linear equation. Now to solve this equation by using the Gauss-Jordan method, and the result is x value 1, y value 2 and z value 3. Now to check whether the result is correct or not. Now this value substitute in any one of the three simultaneous equations. So I can take second equations. In second equation x plus 4y plus 3z equal to 18. Here x value 1 plus y value 2 plus 3 z value 3 equal to 18. Now this is for 1, 4 into 2 8 plus 3 into 9 3 into 3, 9 and equal to 18. This is for 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. Now 18 equal to 18. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Now, the result is correct. The given simultaneous linear equation by using the Gauss-Jordan method, we can solve this problem, and the final result is x value 1, z value 3 and y value 2. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.